What's up, y'all? I'm getting ready to make me a grilled cheese sandwich, cheese toast, whatever you like to call it. That's what I'm getting ready to make. Now, it's all about the cheese, y'all. I'm going to be using Colby Jack today. I use all different kinds of cheese for my cheese toast, but today all I have is the good old Colby Jack. I got me some wheat bread. I got a tablespoon of butter that I cut into 2 pieces. And the secret ingredient, y'all, look, is mayonnaise. Alright guys, so we're going to get some mayonnaise on the bread. And don't put a whole lot. This is just enough to make sure that everything sticks. The cheese and everything. See, it's really thin. You'll be surprised to see exactly how much I'm using, because it's really not that much at all. Alright. This is going to help the cheese to stick to the bread, y'all. It's just like glue. Alright. So then, put it together, and you need some more mayonnaise. Now, if you don't like mayonnaise, you can use Miracle Whip too, y'all. And you can also use any kind of cheese. You can also use any kind of cheese that you want. So we got mayo on this side. We're going to turn it over. We're going to put some mayonnaise on the other side. Okay guys, I got mayo on all sides of this bread. Really, really thin. It's not that much at all. This is less than a teaspoon of mayonnaise, guys. Let's go over to the stove. So I got my skillet heating up, guys. I have this on a medium temperature, not too hot, y'all, because if it's too hot, you're gonna burn the butter, and we do not want to burn that butter. So once the skillet has heated up a little bit, I'm gonna put the first half of butter in and let it start to melt. Make sure you swish it around a little bit. Make sure it's all around the pan. Alright y'all, so the butter is ready, so I'm gonna get my sandwich in here. That's what you want to hear, a little bit of sizzle. You guys, let it kind of sit for just a second so that butter can get in that bread and brown up. Okay, take your spatula, press it down a little bit. This is going to help the cheese to melt too, y'all. Alright, we're getting ready to flip it over, y'all. So we're going to take that other piece of butter, put it in, then we're going to flip it. Remember to swish it around. Swish that butter around. Then you want to put it on there. Like that. Press it down. At this point, the cheese is starting to melt. Alright guys, I'm going to turn the heat off. I'm going to get ready to serve this up. Let's see how we did, y'all. I'm going to cut it in half. This is a very kid-friendly recipe. This is a butter knife. That's what we got, you guys. It's gooey, it's melty, cheesy, nice and brown. It's buttery. Let me taste it. Look, y'all. The cheese is melting. It's stringy. That's what I like. I don't know about y'all, but this is what I like. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like a simple recipe, try this one out. Have a great one, guys.